Good day everyone, welcome back to Not As Dope, and today we're doing an unboxing. What we have right here, this is a Fanttik electric precision screwdriver. What's good about this, you have over 50 bits inside, you have zero point 0.6 max torque, and you have 800 milliamp hours of charge on the actual screwdriver. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. First off, right here, we have our, I'm assuming, USB-C charging cable. So yes, so you have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Toss that to the side. What else we have? So, as you guys may or may not know, but I love Fanttik products. I have a lot of Fanttik products. As a matter of fact, I have this right here. This is the Fanttik electric scissor. So what's good about this? Let's say if you want to cut some cardboard up or whatever, you can simply take this and easily cut it up like that. So I'm huge on Fanttik products. So let's toss that to the side. So again, this is just taking a look at the electric precision electric screwdriver. So this is, I'm assuming, the manual. It's pretty straightforward stuff, so no need to really check that out. So let's put that back inside. You have this removable tape right here. It says press area, so I guess you have to press the area to get the device out. But as you can see, good build quality always from Fanttik. I do love how they design and how they build the actual stuff. Let's take this off, put that off to the side. And this right here is the entire device. So it has all of your bits inside, and you have your electric screwdriver right here. As you can see, you can simply plug it in via USB-C to charge it up. If you flip it upside down, regardless of how much you shake it, it does not fall out. To get it out, you simply have to press. It pops out. So that pops both the electric screwdriver out. Taking a look, you could see this is your electric screwdriver. You have your USB-C charging port. You have your power selection on the bottom. You have off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different speeds, and you have forward. So let's say if you want to screw something in, you have forward, and you have reverse right here. As you can see, it has a nice light built into it, and you also have a light on top of here, so you can see what exactly you're working on. So again, good product as always from Fanttik. So let's put this down, and now let's take a look at all of the different bits. So inside this case, you have your foam protector. Toss that to the side. But you have all of these different bits here. As you can see, well organized, a wide arrangement of bits. You even have a little tweezer. So let's say if you want to pick up something, comes with a built-in tweezer. And a vast array of bits. But as you can see, the bits are magnetically attached to the actual case. So it's very easy to take a bit off. So once you're ready, take it off, stick it into your screwdriver. And just like that, you're ready to go. Once you're done, simply put it back off. Find where you took it off from. I think it goes right here, and it just simply snaps back right in. So this is great if you're working on a lot of stuff. So for example, I do a lot of work on my drones, I do a lot of work on my remote control cars. Some of those items require small precision tools, so this will be coming in very handy in a very short amount of time. As you can see, you can simply turn this to find whatever tool you're looking for. It has every particular bit you might need for operating on your small stuff. They even have what I think is a magnetization zone. So I guess you could put something here if you want to magnetize it. Let's say if one of these bits loses its magnetism, you can simply put it back right here. Once you're all done, you simply drop this back in. Simply push this back in. Once you push it in, this locks into place. So you see it's not going to fall out. And once you're ready, simply slide this back in just like that. And as you can see, it's not going to fall out. It's not going to come out until you press this to get this to pop out. So again, Good product as always from Fanttik. This will be locked inside the house for a lot of my electrical devices that I plan to work on pretty soon, from my drone to my computer to whatever the case might be. It's great product as always from Fanttik. So this, as I said, is the Fanttik Precision Electric Screwdriver. So you gotta admit, as small as it is, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Until next time, see you guys.